No bake, great dessert is very simple. What I really like, obviously, is you don't need to bake anything. So that's pretty quick. So I start off using these, and hopefully you can see that, but they are honey-made cinnamon. They're made with real cinnamon graham crackers, and they are no high fructose corn syrup. I'm gonna line up the bottom of our dish with these graham crackers, and we want to make sure we line them pretty well because that's our foundation. And we're going to make a pudding, a no-bake pudding, to go over that. Okay, we're going to start, and we will start with our very first ingredient, silken tofu. I'm going to put the whole package in the blender here. Next ingredient, I'm going to put in the peaches, the sliced peaches in 100% juice. 3 whopping tablespoons of Cool Whip. I really like Cool Whip. Made graham crackers that are honey made, and I get the cinnamon version. The graham crackers that don't have the high fructose corn syrup. I'm going to break 1 sheet. So that's 2 little squares or 1 sheet. Seven-ounce package of non-dairy cream cheese. Well, I'm going to use about a little more than half of a package of this non-dairy cream cheese. And I'm also using 1/4 cup of raw sugar, about a teaspoon of vanilla, and this is all going in the blender. Very simple. About a 1/2 teaspoon of coriander, a pinch of salt. An instant pudding, I'm talking about additives, sodium, phosphate, mono and diglycerides, and the very first ingredient is sugar. You're not that way when you make your own. You can regulate that and put some real ingredients in there. Let's make that pudding. Pour the pudding that we just made. I mean, this looks like pudding, and it's simple. Not all of those additives. You know, sometimes I know we're in a hurry, and the instant puddings, they do taste good, but you can add more sugar if you want to. Then, I'm gonna add some more graham crackers. Make that second layer. And again, I'm using that cinnamon graham cracker with the pudding. Let's top it with Cool Whip. And I use this 1 container. But if I need more, I have a backup, or get the large Cool Whip container, or if you want to make your own whipping cream. I can eat Cool Whip right out the bowl. Put it in the refrigerator, let it chill for about an hour, and then you can put the garnishes on it, and I'll show you what I mean, how I garnish it. But there's no science to this. You can garnish it any way you choose to, but I'll show you what I will do in a second. So I just take another can of sliced peaches, and I just slice them in half. Just kind of come down in a diagonal, lining up my sliced peaches, like 2 side by side. see any holes, I'll put some peaches there. Okay, I get some cherries and some fresh blueberries. And I'll line it up on the outside. And I'm gonna put some blueberries coming down on the other side. I like using that because this is another way that you can add fruits to your family, giving them more chances to up that nutritional value. You know, in the comment below, what is your sweetener favorite? I only put 1/4 cup of raw sugar in this dessert. Some may go all the way up to 1/3 cup. After 1/3 cup, I get off that bus. I want you to get off with me. But I know a lot of people put as much as 1 cup of sugar in their desserts, and then we get hooked on things being quite that sweet. But and I have a sweet tooth, so I always have to monitor it. But anyway, there you have it, your no-bake great dessert. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour to chill, and then I'm going to taste it.